Hey, it's Michael de la Cruz at succeedwithmichael.com, and there's a good chance you want to know how to be successful in life. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make it happen for yourself, how you can go out there and really succeed. And not only that, I'm going to share with you 3 requirements to make it happen online. So stay tuned. Alright, so I want to welcome you first of all to this space. Welcome here. If you're watching this for the first time, just want to really congratulate you because I'm about to share with you what is the shortcut to becoming successful in life and really in every area of your life, and including business, right? So first of all, I help people really how to make money online. I help people how to find success online. So I'm going to be sharing with you what are the what 3 requirements I advise if you want to achieve success on the internet. So the best advice I can give you, the best tip I can give you so you can go out there and create success in your life, for yourself, is pretty much you want to model after people that are already achieving the type of success that you're looking for. That's really the secret. As you can see, there's no secret. Just find people that are highly successful and surround yourself, with them, right? Surround yourself with the right people, right? I remember when I started my journey, I did not know exactly what I was doing. I did not know how I was going to be successful. But guess what happened? I actually found a mentor that was highly successful, that was actually getting the type of results that I wanted. And all I did was pretty much model after this person, right? And guess what? I started achieving success too. So you can do it as well. You can go out there and create success for yourself, because all you have to do is find people that are actually getting success and truly see what they're doing, right? Truly see what they're doing, surround yourself with them, and guess what? You're going to achieve success. You can apply this to every aspect of your life, whether that's relationships, whether that's business. Just find people that are getting the type of results that you're after, people that their lives are working for them, and really model after them. Now, let me go ahead and share with you the 3 requirements to get, to make this happen for yourself online. So the first requirement is you're going to need the right information. You're going to need the right information. The second requirement is that you're going to need the right information from the right person. That's the second requirement. Then the third requirement is that you're going to need to be in the right environment. A lot of times we want to succeed, but because we're surrounded by so much negativity, it blocks us from doing that. So you want to be in the right environment. Seek out people that are actually positive, people that lives are working for them, people that are going to places, people that are going to hold your hands, and they're going to uplift you to where you want to go. So that's basically my tip for today. I'm just going to keep this video short. Hope you got some value from it. And if you're looking for a way to earn money online, you're looking for a way to succeed on the internet, below this video I left you my #1 recommendation. So go ahead and click that link, access that information, watch the video, and if you feel that is a good fit for you, which I believe it is, or else you wouldn't be watching this video, go ahead and get started. So learn more about it, click the link below, and we'll see you on the inside, and wishing you the best.